Okay, okay. So I'm going to ask you to introduce yourself because we have been meeting for the first.
Yeah, of course that we are meeting first time, no. So it is very necessary for introduce myself in front of you. So listen carefully my introduction, my bro. So this is Raju Kumar in front of you. I am connecting from Bihar and I am a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher. This is all about me and this is my short introduction. So could you please tell me about your introduction?
Yes, yes. It was nice. It was nice. It was nice that you're a farmer. Actually, nowadays I'm also doing farming. Actually, so my name is Kitab Sahil and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. Don't looking for a job. So you can say I'm a jobless nowadays. But apart from this, I am into farming nowadays. So I'm also doing farming and learning this language.
Okay, good to hear your introduction, brother. That you are also a farmer. I am also a farmer. So same here because I think that you are looking for a job nowadays. And apart from looking for a job, you are doing farming in your village. Okay, so don't think that
Ah,
don't
yes.
please don't say that you are jobless. You are not jobless. You are doing farming. No, so you are not jobless. I
Yes.
am also a farmer, so I am not jobless. So you are not a jobless person. Okay, you are keeping yourself busy in doing farming. So you are a great person.
Yes, 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 you are right. Yes, you are right.
Okay, brother. So you tell me that everybody is passing metric pass. Everybody is doing graduation. But how many of us are getting the job? A few person is getting the job in the government sector or
Yes,
private sector. But you are
yes,
you
very
don't
few
say
person.
that yes, a few person is getting the job. But don't say that you are not brilliant. But those person who are not getting the job is not brilliant. Of course they are brilliant. You are also
They
brilliant.
are,
I am
they
also
are.
brilliant. Other person is also brilliant.
Yes, yes, yes. We all are brilliant,
Yes.
and we should be
you are
proud
you
of
are keeping
ourselves.
yourself busy in doing farming, so you are not jobless person. If someone is sitting inside the home, okay, and they are not doing anything work, so they are jobless. But you are not jobless. I am not jobless. If suppose that if you are sitting in your home and you are not doing any work in your any work, so you will be called jobless person. But you are doing farming, and farming is a very great sector of the world.
Yes, yes, yes. It's a great sector. It's a great sector, and I think
Yes.
uh, lots of population are working nowadays in the farming field. So it's a big opportunity of employment, especially in village.
Yes,
People are like people are
because
working on the.
yes, and you can say that India is a great country, and day by day the population of our country is increasing very fast, like a wildfire, and our government is failing to control our population. In every village having increasing population, after getting marriage, just everybody is giving birth more than 2 and 3 babies nowadays in Bihar and nowadays in every states of India. Am I right or not?
Yes, yes, yes. You're right. You're completely right, and I really agree with you. You're completely right, and
Yes.
it's true. True.
And also that India has more than 50,000 villages. If I will add the total number of villages inside the India, so more than 50,000 villages are available inside the India. So India is also called country of the village. Yes,
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
and India has agriculture sector, largest agriculture sector in all the world. Means that every people, 70% of the peoples of India is doing farming. Okay, and in national income of India, we like people just like you and we are increasing the national income also of our country.
Hmm. Yes, yes, yes.
And we are also producing different kind of grains, different kind of vegetables, so that the price of the any commodity will be less. Otherwise, if I will not produce foods and grain, and you are not producing, you will not produce grain and any kind of vegetables. So in the market, if people will go to buy, so the price of every commodity will increase. Means
Yes,
that
yes,
farmer is doing well, and they are producing more and more grain, so that the people of our country get every commodity in at the rate of cheap price.
yes, yes.
Yes,
I
yes.
agree with
So brother, you belong to MP, but which district you belong to?
Yes, I am from Satna district. I'm from
Oh
Satna
yeah,
district.
I know very well about the Satna, Itarsi, Jabalpur. I know.
Yes, yes, Maihar, Satna Maihar. Sarda
Yes,
Mata
yes,
Mandir.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Got
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Got
I know. Once I passed from the Satna, Itarsi, Jabalpur, Katni, I also know.
Katini. Yes, 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 yes. Jabalpur Riva. You got it. You got it.
Yes, yes. Jhansi, starting from Jhansi, Jabalpur, Katni, Riva.
Hmm. Yeah, so it's nice that we are connected. And I want to ask you something. Being a farmer, when did you felt that I have to learn this language? And why did you start learning this language?
Yes,
What
brother.
has
Yes,
made you to think of?
yes, yes, yes. Because 10 days before the Durga Puja, I have joined this app, and after that, I am continuously connecting with different kind of person, just like you and just like other person. And I am not breaking my consistency. Okay, and I am regularly speaking. Every day, I am connecting more than at least 2 and 3 person. Okay, according to my time, because I am farmer, so I have to look after a lot of things. Okay, because I am also having some cow, buffalo, and ox. So I have to look after my. I am also having goats, she goats and he goats. Cow also having, buffalo I am also having. So I have to look after a lot of things. And except feeding to the cow, I am also teaching some student in the morning time, and I am also growing vegetables. So a lot of work in the agriculture sector is available. Okay, only people know that growing different kind of vegetable and grain, producing more and more grain is not agriculture sector. In agriculture sector is very strong and very big. Fishing is also agriculture sector. Okay, farming is
Yes,
also
yes,
agriculture sector, and planting tree is also agriculture sector, and bee planting, madhumakhi palan, bee. Okay, and mushroom you know very well. Mushroom planting, mushroom
yes,
agriculture is also comes under the agriculture sector. So a lot of
yes.
business are inside the agriculture sector.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, yes, I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, so are you going to upload this video on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah, of course I will upload. Evening time I will upload in
Okay,
my YouTube channel, and I will send you also on your Skype ID.
okay. Because it's first time I am having a conversation in a video chat. So actually, you know what? Last night I installed this application. And you are the first person whom I am.
Yeah. I am very lucky that I am a first person, and means that you will be remember that my first conversation was uploaded by the someone,
Yeah.
and it is me.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
So
you
you
are
said.
speaking very nice, bro. So connect different kind of person, and if you will having any kind of problem, so I just giving you advice that you also should create YouTube channel as well as possible. Okay.
Yes, I would create my YouTube channel, and thanks to you for suggesting this to me. And it's a good advice. I will start. I'm also planning. Like I was planning, but
No,
seeing
no,
you and
no.
seeing you.
Okay. Don't plan. Okay, don't plan. Just create a YouTube channel. Don't plan. If you
Yeah,
will planning, no.
don't plan.
So it will take more time. If you will
Yes,
start
you are
work,
right.
so it will take you less time.
Such a good advice you have given me. Thank you so much
Yes.
from the bottom of my heart. And it was
Yes,
nice.
yes, yes. And you first create YouTube channel, and after that, what problem will be having? No, I will help you. No problem.
So, okay, I want to ask you one question. How many subscribers do you have right now?
Yes. 700 subscriber I have got till now.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's a good number. That's a good number. So, and how many videos you have uploaded till now?
Yes. More than 70 means that if I will today upload in my YouTube channel, so it will increase to 76.
76. So, that's okay. Yeah, I would also create my YouTube channel today, tonight. And I
Yeah.
would start.
Well, possible, just create a YouTube channel because it is very necessary. But I have not created YouTube channel for earning purpose, but I have created YouTube channel so that I can store my conversation video in a single YouTube channel. And after that, whenever I will get time free, so on that time I will utilize my time after watching that video, and I will find out my mistake also after watching this conversion video, and I will rectify my mistakes. This is a good thing. Okay.
Okay, I'm curious about your education background. May I know, like, what have you done in the past? Like, are you matric pass? Are you
I am
12th
also
pass?
graduate
And
person. I am also graduate person just like you, brother. But I am not taking any kind of
oh,
tension because I am happy with my life.
that's great. That's great. That's great. Sounds good that you're graduate and you're a farmer. You're happy with the life. You have cattle. You have a big farm. It's good. I also have one goat, one two cows, and uh,
Okay. So don't worry that if you are suppose if you are failing to get a job, so don't worry. Everything will be okay. Everything will be fine. Okay. It means that every person behind getting the job, and our population of country is increasing day by day with the like wildfire. So our government is also failing to provide each and every students jobs. So we cannot blame on our government. We are also responsible for that. Okay. So I think that every graduate person now should start any cottage industry, just like farming, just like doing agriculture work. But what is wrong with the graduate person? They don't want to do. Graduate person don't want to open tea stall. What is it doing? what? Yeah. What is wrong with doing tea stall? Because if they will open any tea stall, so their income will be coming. So they will keep they will keep themselves busy in their life, and their economical problem will go out. So that's why I'm telling to you.
Yes, yes, yes. You are such a nice
One day,
person.
yes. And one day, if each and every graduate person will think like me, so one day after 10 years further, the whole our country will be not remains poverty. Every person will get job in every sector, and our national income will also will be will be increased.
Yes, yes. You are absolutely right, and I agree with you. I think everyone should have the same kind of you are very hardworking and have such a strong. Good.
Okay, brother. So nice to talking to you. And if you want to talk to me, just before talking to me, just give a message. I will give you time. Okay. If you want to
Yes,
suppose, if you are willing to talk to me, otherwise I am giving you suggest that connect with different kind of person, so that you can get more and more knowledge, because I am having knowledge, but your mind is different from my mind. My thinking is different from your thinking, and other people's thinking, thoughts, idea, opinion, and everything is different from my thinking. So that's why I'm telling to you to connect different person, so that more and more, if you will connect more and more people, so your shyness, hesitation, yours, everything will go out from you, and one day you will speak better than me, better than others. Okay, no doubt.
yes, yes. I would surely connect with different
Yes. First,
for giving a nice
you
advice.
create your channel today night. Don't be late more. Okay.
Yeah, and please send the link of your channel. Okay, in this type.
Okay. After disconnecting, I will send you my channel link. Okay.
Please subscribe to your channel. Watch your
Okay.
videos.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me in the conversation. Have a good day. And it was nice,
Oh,
in fact.
bro, same to you. Okay,
Yeah.
bye.